So tonight we are using Santa here to pick our winner of our Dollar Tree haul and the Cake Boss. We're going to draw the Cake Boss second. There weren't as many that said I wanted Cake Boss. So if you just said I want to win, I am putting you in the Dollar Tree haul. So I just wanted to show everybody how I did this. I just went on and I screenshot all the names that were on YouTube. See where it says YouTube at the top? And that is how I got all the little names in here. So I just wanted to show you that they are actually real names. And I just wanted to be able to speed up the process so that everybody can see that their name is in here. So I'm going to cut these and put these in there. And we will draw our first drawing for the Dollar Tree haul. So I don't believe any of these were for Cake Boss. I believe they're all Dollar Tree haul, Dollar Tree haul. Here's a Cake Boss. So I'm trying to separate the ones that wanted a Cake Boss to the Dollar Tree haul. So you have a better chance with the Cake Boss because there weren't as many winner or people that wanted those. The ones that said I just want to win are in the Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so hello, so blessed. That one doesn't say anything about winning. I want to win. So in order to be entered, you had to say, I want to win. So if you just made a comment, then you're not going in here. I want to win the Dollar Tree haul. So all this girl said, Debbie said, hello Sandy, I bought a few of those light up icicles. I think they're so pretty. I love the cardinals. My mom and dad passed away and they remind them of her. So that's all she said. She didn't say anything about wanting to win. She might be one of the international. And as I said, if you're international, you most certainly can play. It's just that you have to ship it to somebody, a family member in the States. And if they want to ship it to you with a Christmas gift maybe, then that is the way I have to do it for right now. It's just too expensive for me to ship out of the country. Okay. So we got that whole sheet cut up and all the names are in here. So let's put his little head on. And remember, these videos are available. I'm trying to think of a way for us to make these boxes. So this is for the Dollar Tree haul. Who is the winner of the Dollar Tree haul? The winner of the Dollar Tree haul is Linda Ayala. Linda Ayala. You are the winner of the Dollar Tree haul. I have it right here, all ready to go. So that is going to be yours. Just send me your address. I will comment on the post that you were the winner of the Dollar Tree haul. So now we're going to dump these. And we are going to put in, these are the Cake Boss. So there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for the Cake Boss, which was this. So if you didn't say you wanted Cake Boss or you wanted the other one, there was no way for me to separate it, so I just put those in the Dollar Tree haul. So I specifically, and I only had 2 from Facebook that wanted the Cake Boss, so I had written those in because rather than waste the paper on 2 names. This is nothing, just says Sprint on it. So we have just a few names here. And we're going to shake this one up. And this is the winner of, let's put his magical head on. Shake, 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 shake. It didn't sound as much as the other one. There was a lot of paper in the other one. The winner of the Cake Boss is Denise. She is the one from Facebook that I had to write in. So she wanted the Cake Boss and she is the winner. I will reach out to her. And there's the other names. So until we have another drawing, if you have not been watching my YouTube channel, you most certainly want to do that. We made our little grateful jars the other day and I did give away. So it's not only on Dollar Tree hauls and things. I gave away 4 of these. I said I would give away 3 of the labels so that you could make your own. We have been doing these with the Creative Fabrica. If you're curious about what that is, they have over 20,000 designs that you can choose from to make different things. Cups, like this, like this. There's so many fun things. We did these cute little reindeer coasters. That video is in my channel. I can also post it below so you can check that out. We made cute little llamas. So there's a lot of things. If you're not subscribed, you most certainly want to turn that bell on so that you don't miss anything. And I have a video going up tonight, so you want to keep an eye out for that. So the winner is Denise and Linda. Denise and Linda. Linda won the Dollar Tree haul, and Denise won the Cake Boss. Okay? So that's what we have for this one, and on the next one, we will have something really fun as well, so make sure you watch and listen for our song so that you know when we are doing a drawing. See you on the next time. Bye.